Yes, having a dual dash cam is definitely worth it. Don't wait until you get into an accident and you wish that you had one. I have this one from Amazon. It is simple, affordable, and it does the job. I'll show you how easy the installation is in just a moment, but first I'm going to tell you about a few of my favorite features. The way it works is that it records on a loop, meaning that the 32 gigabyte SD card that you get with it will record about 3 hours of continuous 1 to 3 minute little clips. At the end of that, it'll overwrite the oldest one so that it has room to record more. This one has something called a G sensor. If it gets into a collision or it bumps some kind of way, it'll automatically lock that footage so that it cannot be overwritten. There's also a built-in battery. That means that if your car is parked and off, if it gets bumped into, if there's a collision, it'll turn on automatically for about 30 seconds, record the front and back so that you have footage, evidence, proof of what happened during that collision. This type of footage can mean the difference between winning or losing a lawsuit, catching or not catching an offender, or getting what you deserve from the insurance company. This kind of footage is very important, and once you know what it's like to have this type of thing in your car, you're never going to want to live without it. A third favorite feature that I'll mention right now is that it has an auto screensaver. So when you're driving, it has it showing for a few seconds, but after about a minute of driving, the screen goes dark, and so there won't be any distraction, which of course adds to the safety of it. If you want to spend a little bit more, I definitely recommend getting an interior camera as well. It'll give you a chance to have evidence of any wrongdoings on the inside of the car, whether that be a morally corrupt police officer or it might be your child who texts and drives too much. You might be wondering if you can use the rear camera that comes with this on the interior of your car instead of the rear. Unfortunately, you can't because it's not equipped to record the darkness that a car interior gets at night, so it won't be very effective. It does work great outside of the car because it has nighttime vision, and with the combination of that and the lights from your car, you're able to capture great footage at night from the outside of your car. How to install a dash cam, and is it hard? No, it's not hard. It's very simple. First, you're going to clean the area on the windshield or wherever that you're trying to put your front camera. Then you're going to take the electrostatic sticker that it comes with, and you're going to place that where you want to put your camera. Then you'll peel off the 3M from the sticker on the back of your dash cam, and you'll stick it on the rectangle square that's on your electrostatic sticker. This kit comes with a power cord that has a cigarette lighter. So you plug that into your car and you plug the other end into this USB-C port. However, if you don't have a cigarette lighter port in your car, that's okay. You can use any USB-C cord. It just won't be included in the box. Set up your back cam. You're going to plug in the little auxiliary cord into this port, and then you're going to string it along your car. Attach the rear cam onto either your rear windshield using the sticker, or you can attach it right next to your license plate like I have it, using either just the sticker or the sticker and the little screws that are included. I actually, a few weeks now, I've had just the sticker on and it has not budged. It's also waterproof, the rear cam, so that you don't have to worry about rain or snow or anything like that. Plug it in. It'll automatically start recording when it's connected to power. Press the furthest right button to pause. The next button over will allow you to switch between different views. So here's the front cam, here's the rear cam. And then here we are back on the split screen. Press the file folder icon button to access your clips right there on the device. If you want to delete a clip, hold down the trash icon button until you're given the option to confirm. I can't recommend having a dash cam enough. I'm so glad that I was gifted this so that I could share this information with you. Let me know in the comments below if you have a dash cam and if it's ever helped you out in a sticky situation. For more reviews, how-tos, and tutorials with me, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.